In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to a developer on Shopify. When you're working with a developer, you want them to be able to do their job without handing over your main login details. Shopify makes this easy and secure by letting you add them as a user with the right permissions. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that step by step. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the page where you usually see your store overview, orders, and analytics. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one. Next, look for the settings option. You'll usually find this at the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Go ahead and click on settings to open up all of the configuration options for your store. Inside the settings area, find and click on users. This is where you manage who has access to your store and what they can do. It's the central place for team members, staff, and developers. On the users page, look for a button or link that says add users and click on it. This starts the process of inviting someone new to access your store. You'll now see a form where you can type in the email address of your developer. Make sure you enter the correct email that your developer actually uses, because Shopify will send the invitation there. It's a good idea to double check the spelling so they receive the invite without issues. After you've entered the email, click on assign. This will bring up options for what kind of access this person should have. Since you're adding a developer, you want to give them the tools they need without interfering with your own login. From the available options, choose the one that says something like, an app developer has full access to tools and development stores for building apps. Select that option so your developer gets the right level of access specifically tailored for development work. Once you've selected it, click on Save. Shopify will now send an invitation to the email you entered. If you go back to the user's dashboard, you'll see that this new email appears with a status of pending. It will stay in that pending state until your developer opens the email, accepts the invitation, and completes the process on their side. And that's it. You've successfully given your developer access to your Shopify store